Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is Africa's Great Green Wall Program. Recently, a study regarding the Great Green Wall Program was published in the journal Nature Sustainability. The study evaluated the economic cost and benefits of restoration under this program. It showed that for every dollar invested into land restoration yields across the African continent, investors can expect an average return of $1.20. Now, information about the Great Green Wall Program. It was launched in 2007 by the African Union. The idea is to plant diverse trees and shrubs in a corridor about 8,000 kilometers long and 15 kilometers wide across Africa. It aims to restore Africa's degraded landscapes and transform millions of the lives in the Sahel. Once complete, the Great Green Wall will be the largest living structure on the planet and 3 times the size of the Great Barrier Reef. Africa's Sahel region is at the southern edge of the Sahara Desert and is one of the poorest places on the planet. It is a global symbol for humanity overcoming rapidly degrading environment. The Great Green Wall makes a vital contribution to the UN Sustainable Development Goals known as the SDGs. UN SDG is a global agenda which aims to achieve a more equitable and sustainable world by 2030. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.